Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done another Starline i96 on this beautiful brand new 2020 left-hand drive Dodge Ram. How the system works is every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he has to either disarm it in one of two ways. He either uses his phone as a Bluetooth tag as authorization, or he goes through a push sequence. The reason why we fitted this is because he's got this particular key and it's prone to relay attack. And they can clone it, disarm it, unlock it, start the vehicle and drive it away. So this is how the system works. So every time you jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, put your foot on the brake, you'll see the vehicle won't start. See, vehicle won't start. Okay, so now every time you jump in the vehicle, turn the main ignition on, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive your melody and start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can use this as a Bluetooth tag. So every time you jump in the vehicle, you turn on the ignition, you'll hear the melody as it's disarmed because the Bluetooth was within range, and you can start the vehicle. But we'll come back to that. We'll show you on a phone. What we're going to show you now is, should you want to change the code because someone's seen it, this is straightforward. The way you do that is main ignition on, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, receive your melody, and then hit this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on, main ignition. You'll get 5 bleeps, and now we'll do a pin selection. So we'll do something, say, simple. So we'll do this one here. 1, 2, 3. If it's on the network, it will give you a bleep, means you can use it. If you pause, you'll hear a melody to say it's confirmed. There you go. And just repeat the same code again. So 1, 2, 3. Get a confirmation melody. There you go, code's been learnt. So if we leave it about 10 seconds and then try and start it, you'll see obviously it won't start, and we'll insert the new code. So if we try and start it now, foot on the brake, see, a vehicle won't start. Okay, so it's looking for the pin code. So if we start all over again, say ignition off, ignition on, main ignition, no foot on the brake, new code, melody. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, we're going to show you now on the app how it works on the app. So this is the customer's phone. We've actually downloaded the app and we've paired it. So when it's paired, you'll have a green band around the outside. So now all you do now, if the Bluetooth is within a range that we've adjusted, which is very close, all you do is just jump in, hit the push button start, get your melody like you did now, no button press, and just start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, the other nice thing about this is when you take the car for a service, you don't have to disclose the code and you don't have to give them the phone. So all you do is just put it in valid mode. And I'll show you how we do that now. So now, as I said, the car's going for a service. You don't want to disclose the code, or it's going for a car wash. You don't want to give them your phone. So the way you put it in valid mode is go into the app, put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes past the red and to the amber, and then release. You'll get 2 bleeps. And now this is just a normal car. So you can move it around, don't have to put a code in. When you get it back, do the same thing again, but this time keep your finger on it, go past the red and straight to the green. There you go, release. This is now out of valet mode. So obviously you need a pin code, or you need this within range. My name's Otto. Hope you found this video helpful. The company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.